3x raised to 4 minus 16x cubed plus 26x squared minus 16x plus 3 is equal to 0 has four roots, out of which two are equal. Which are these two roots? Now, you can observe here that the coefficients are similar in this case. We have 3 over here, then minus 16 as well. Whenever you observe such kind of equation, what you have to do is, now here it is 3x raised to 4. The middle term is x raised to 2. So therefore we divide throughout by x raised to 2, that is x square. So the equation becomes 3x square minus 16x plus 26 minus 16 by x plus 3 by x square. Now we can take 3 common here. So it becomes 3 into bracket x square plus 1 upon x square. We can take minus 16 common. So we will have here x plus 1 upon x plus 26, and it is equal to 0. Now what we'll assume here is, we will assume x plus 1 upon x as y. Now if we square both sides, this will become x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equal to y square. So therefore, we can get here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to y square minus 2. Now let's substitute these two values in the equation, this one and this one. So we will get here 3 into y square minus 2 minus 16y plus 26 is equal to 0. So we have it here 3y square minus 6 minus 16y plus 26 equal to 0. So the quadratic equation becomes 3y square minus 16y plus 20 is equal to 0. Now solving this, we get here 3y square minus 10y minus 6y plus 20 equal to 0. So taking y common, we have here 3y minus 10. Now taking minus 2 common here, we have again 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So the final factors come out to be y minus 2 into 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 10 by 3. Now, what is y? We have assumed y to be x plus 1 upon x. So therefore, we get here x plus 1 upon x is equal to 10 by 3. Now, as the denominator is 3, we will assume the value of x as 3 and let's verify. So it becomes 3 plus 1 upon 3. Let's simplify. So making the denominator 3, we get here 9 plus 1. That is 10 by 3. So therefore, we get the value of x as either 3, or we will get the same thing if we assume x as 1 by 3 as well. Now let's take the next thing. Another value of y is 2. So therefore we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. Now, here it is 2 upon 1. That means we can assume the value of x as 1. So it becomes 1 plus 1 upon 1. That is 1 plus 1. That is 2, which is exactly equal. And hence, we can say that the two roots which are equal are 1. So we get x equal to 1. Both values are the same thing because reciprocal of 1 is also 1. So therefore, answer will be option B, 1, 1.